Now that you are a newly registered National Disability Insurance Scheme or NDIS provider, you can provide services to NDIS participants. You just need to find each other. If you are already delivering services to people with disability, you may not have to go out and find new clients. But to keep delivering services to clients who transition to the NDIS, you'll have to make sure you're meeting NDIS provider requirements. This short video shows you how to use the Section 4 of the Provider Toolkit to connect with participants. There are two main ways to reach NDIS participants. NDIS participants and support coordinators can find providers by using the Provider Finder search tool in both the MyPlace participant and provider portals. It's important to keep your details up to date on MyPlace so participants can find you. NDIS participants can also be referred to you by their support coordinators or local area coordinators. The NDIS is about giving people with disability more choice and control over who provides their services and supports. This means that participants may also find out about providers online, through advertising and marketing, word of mouth, or elsewhere. Consider what advertising options might work for you in your local area or more widely. As an NDIS registered provider, you can provide supports and services to all NDIS participants, whether they are self-managed, National Disability Insurance Agency or NDIA managed or Plan Manager managed. As the NDIS rolls out across the country, a competitive market for high-quality and responsive providers will develop. There are opportunities for growth and expansion for organisations and businesses that give participants what they want and need. Remember that you can refer to the key resources and help and support sections for more information at any time. Wherever you are in the provider pathway, we hope this toolkit helps you understand the NDIS better and what you have to do to make it a success.